Hi, good morning, my dear student. Yes, last class we have discussed about the continuity. So already you know that. What do you mean by continuity? Suppose f is a real function subset of a real number and C be the domain. Let that function limit extends to C, f of x is equal to f of C. Why I am going to take this value? Now another biggest value is there, differentiability. What do you mean by differentiability? Before already you have studied in the first year limits and derivative. So what do you mean by derivative? You have mentioned f dash of dash you are going to take or d by dx derivative format. In this one we are going to express for the differentiability. So that one it gives reducing the value. It means decreasing the value. Commonly we are going to express for that value. So now what do you mean by differential? So I hope suppose f is a real function. Suppose f is a real function and C be the domain. But here the derivative of f dash of x is equal to or f dash of c is equal to f of c plus h minus f of c divided by h. It is called the differentiability. So once again I said that again, let f is a real function and c be the domain, then derivative of f of c is equal to f of c plus h minus f of c divided by h, limit x tends to 0. So this is called the differentiability. So this differentiability, so many properties. Already you know that LHS, RHS, LHM, RHM. So in this one, we are going to express for the differentiability LHD, left hand derivative, right hand derivative. Same things. So when you are going to take x tends to 0 hyphen negative, it means left hand derivative. So again same things, right hand derivative, h tends to 0 plus. So both are equal, then the derivative is exist. Both are equal, then the derivatives are exist. So same things here, that main three properties are there. So main three factors are there. Which those are? So already you know that derivative of two functions addition, u plus v or u minus v, u plus r minus v. It is the derivative u dash plus r minus v dash, derivative formation. So another one is there. So which one? I hope you know that Lagrange's are another. It is a product form. So what is the product? U into v. Derivative of u into v. 100% they are asking question. It is applications for integration. It is applications for the derivative. Differentiability. What is the d of dx u v? So u v dash plus v. Keep constant one term, differentiate the second term. U keep constant, v dash plus v constant, u dash. So differentiability u into v, product form or Lagrange's or some others formula. And another one is there, most important, third one. So u by v, differentiability of u by v. How you can take? So u by v you can take first. V differentiation of du by dx minus, right? Second term u constant dv by dx, the whole divided by v square. This is quotient rule. This is called the quotient rule. And another most important is that we are going to express for the chain rule. Here 4 formulas, it complete 4 chapter applications. So what is the chain rule? I hope you know that a military system, wherever the enemies are there, they are found out and killed them. Like that, here also our chain rule, whenever variables are there, when you are going to take variable, every moment they are going to differentiate. So that is called the chain rule. ds by dt is equal to ds by dt is equal to ds by dx, dx by dt. This is called the chain rule. Here in this factor, differentiability, we are applicable for the 4 formulas. That 4 formulas are most important. So first, already you know that domain C is the most important. So differentiability exists for the f dash of x or f, it means derivative for f single dash or supremum or infimum. Both they are applicable. So many notations are there. Each and every notations are helpful. Let us discuss the differentiability first. So here, right? So I hope you know that let f be a real value function. Clearly, let f be a real valued function and C be a point in a domain. Most important this word, right? That exists where it exists in the domain. They are asking CET, they are asking your annual 1 marks question. And so then derivative of f of or f dash of C is equal to, right? So here f of C plus h, before that limit x tends to 0, right? So here f of C plus h minus f of C divided by h, it is called the differentiability. In the last class, it means you are going to define for the first year. So this type of examples we have found out it, right? So this is known as called the differentiability definition. So many times they are asking, or otherwise they are asking for the formula compulsory. So here f dash of C is there. You can take limit x tends to 0 hyphen, right? So this one f dash of C limit x tends to 0, right? Hyphen means left hand derivative. So this is f of same things, ch minus f of C divided by h. So another one is there. This is called left hand derivative. This one RHD, right hand derivative. In the last class, when we were going to discuss continuity, LHL, RHL, both are coincide. It is called continuity. But here LHD, RHD, both are, it means coincide. That is called the derivative limit x tends to 0 plus f of C plus h minus f of C divided by h. So both are equal, it is called the difference. Clear? So definitions of the derivative and another definition. Another definition means LHD and RHD both are coincide each other. That is also called the difference. So already I said that some formulas are there. Derivative of dt or dx, whatever you can go to define. I hope in physics you are going to define for the, what do you mean by distance, what do you mean by displacement, what do you mean by velocity, what do you mean by acceleration. Each and every are another formation. I hope you know that dA by dt, it is called V. What is the velocity? I hope velocity is equal to V is equal to ds by dt. Speed divided by time with rate of changes. That is a physics definition. So here another definitions of this one. It is also like a physics. But here in the form of mathematics, we are going to define it for the derivative du plus or minus v of dx is there. So this means x means variable. It particular one variable. Here partially. Here say not a partial. It is only one variable. So we are going to express. So u dash plus or minus v dash. This is the first formula, addition, right? And already two formulas are. When you can take plus, it is a plus. When you are going to take minus, it is a minus. Second one, most important, du by dx. Here then product rule is there. Here product rule is there, right? Multiplication formation is there. So first key constant, most important this one, right? So u constant. So here dv by dx plus v constant du by dx. So this one we write another formation u v dash plus v u dash, right? So here derivative. This one another notation, right? We are going to express for the dash formation. This one is the form of the with respect to x, with respect to x. So that is most important. So third one, so differentiation of dx u by v, quotient rule. Quotient. So in this one, keep v first, right? Keep in your mind when quotient is there, v first. Differentiation u by dx minus, right? So next u constant dv by dx, right? So next whole divided by v square. This is called the quotient formation, right? So how you are going to express in the form v u dash minus v u dash, sorry, here that expression u v dash, so whole divided by v square, right? So another one is there. Already I said to you, chain rule. Most important, chain rule, right? What is the chain rule? Here we are going to express ds by. Generally I can take this one. Generally I can express partly. Already I said to ds by dt. What do you mean by velocity? Anybody want to say that? What do you mean by displacement? What do you mean by distance? What do you mean by acceleration? Each or all the values are the applications of the differentiation with respect to rate of change of volume, rate of change of the speed, rate of change of velocity, rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Rate of change of distance, it is called speed, right? Or another one, velocity, you can express. So this is another word expression in physics, right? So then I'm going to express for the chain rule, ds by another variable dx, right? So here dx by dt. When going to cancel, that values will be remaining same. So these are the most important started a journey, right? What do you mean by differentiability? LHD, RHD, and chain rule, and quotient rule, product rule, and addition rule, and subtraction rule. These are the maximum you put these two, and along with that, 1 mark, 3 mark, 5 marks question will be RHS. You can go to check in your question paper. Lot of differentiability and integration depend upon these problems. Right? I'll continue the next video in that next part along with the example. Right? Thank you so much. I'll continue the value.